Hi, David here of Lancaster Honda, and here we've got a Honda Jazz SR spec, and it's 21 plate. It's just over 3,000 miles, I believe. I'll double check in a moment with that one. But I thought in this video I'd just show you all the features you get on an SR model, which is our mid-spec level. Bodywork on this is obviously going to be in very good condition considering it's only done 3,000 miles and it's of this year. So I'll just give you a quick shot down each side like that and a little bit of a zoom in on the alloys there so you can see the condition. It's more just the box ticking exercise, this one, just so you all know it is in the condition you'd expect of a 21 plate car. So it has got parking sensors front and back, this one, as you can see just hidden there. Just get that around here. Now just make sure it's open, just show you what the boot's like. As you can see, you get a fair bit of space there, and then underneath you've got a little bit of storage with, when it focuses, locking wheel nuts in there. Just hop into the back. So as you can see, I've already got the seats up, showing the magic seat system there. Gives you a lot of vertical storage space. Very easy to lower down as well, and when you fold it, it goes near enough completely flat there. If there is a lip, it's probably less than 5 degrees. So I'll just close that again. So into the driver's side, you do have electric folding mirrors there, and you've got electric windows all around. It's also keyless start, so you just pop your foot on the brake, and there you go. So onto the features you get in this model, you do get lane keep assist, you get adaptive cruise control, and there's your distance from the vehicle in front. You get all your sort of settings to go through your trip computer and adjust your music here. You've got automatic lights behind on that side, automatic wipers over there, and as you can see the little illuminated, sorry about the angle, but the illuminated button there is your parking sensors. You've got a few other bits to turn off down there, such as all your safety systems there, the Honda Connect ones, and your traction control and vehicle stability assist. So onto the centre console, you've got quite a few ways to connect your music up there. So you've got FM, AM radio, Bluetooth audio, audio apps there, DAB, USB and smartphone. If you use smartphone, you do get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which means you can use maps in this vehicle even though it doesn't have that as a standard thing on your home screen. And then just coming down to the gear stick, they're all automatics now because of the hybrid. So you've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, and then regenerative braking's the bottom one. You've also got electric parking brake with brake hold and your economy button there. Got climate control just up there, very simple to use, just press auto and then adjust your temperature, or you've got different methods alternatively, you can adjust where it's coming from or the fan speed. Personally I think auto just works the easiest, so I'll turn that off again anyway. Just down there is where you can connect your devices up, so you've got your 2 USB slots and then 12 volt charger there. And then my favourite feature about a Jazz is the split glove box. So you get a little one at the top there, and then a bit of a deeper one there, which has a multi-point check sheet in and the book back. And then last thing to finish with in this vehicle is we've just got a nice comfy centre armrest there with a little bit of storage inside. So if there's any other info you want to know about this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in contact with us and we'll see how we can help you out. Thanks, take care, bye.